it's so nice and big, and guess what? It's warm out here.
It is actually warm out here. Well, I wouldn't say warm, but
No, it's warm.
it's not cold.
I'm going to go sit by the pool.
All right. So we're going back to Summer Landing.
Yeah,
on
deck
deck
8, and I'm going to sit out there and try to get me one of those really good chairs I love.
Oh, it's in the water. I ain't getting no water. That ain't happening.
I want to sit by the water.
All right, I'm a baby. I ain't no happening. I know. All right, we'll see you back there in the back.
Big.
In about 2 seconds.
Here we go.
44 degrees in Tampa. 84 degrees here in the Atlantic Ocean north of Nassau. Here in Summer Landing. Babe, where are we going?
We're not going, we're already here. We're at the Diamond Party.
Diamond Party. And we brought these people. Those are our guests. Those are our guests. That guy. Look how gray he is. Oh my God. Anyway, we'll bring you the menu right about now.
We have on board the ship, working day in and day out to make sure that you have a great vacation. And I need to know, have they done a good job for you so far, everyone? Absolutely amazing. Now, for those of you who don't know where I am or who this person is speaking to you right now from the voice from above, I'm your cruise director, Jack.
So it's potatoes. Whatever that is. It looks like Mark has.
It's potatoes.
And I don't know what that is, Kathy. What is it?
They're sausage balls.
Sausage balls. And we got nothing.
That's potato. Is that new?
Nothing.
It's a potato.
Well, except for that. Oh, that's not mine.
Is that
All
corn flavor?
Ours finally arrived. Terry got sausage potato soup, and I got, that whatever stuff is, it is carbonara or whatever. All right, Kathy got a crab cake. He got chicken. And
Baked
again,
chicken, right?
we got nothing.
Yeah, it's baked chicken with
Terry's got the filet with a short rib underneath it, and I got the baked chicken with some squash and zucchini. And I'm not sure what that is. The healthy people, fruit for dessert. Mark got fruit for dessert. How cute! How cute, Mark? How cute! Terry got fruit, and I got
raspberries.
What is that?
Raspberry 3:30. Yeah.
Oh, well.
It is 3:30 tomorrow.
What is it?
Raspberries.
Raspberry? Here I am with Iqbal. Iqbal, he does our chairs and stuff. He's got a bunch of chairs for us out here on the deck. So when you come on the Mardi Gras, when you go home, Iqbal? When do you go home? Long time. So if you come on here, long time, you come see Iqbal here on deck 8 in the Summer Landing and see Iqbal. Right, Iqbal?
Thank you.
Take care, buddy. You want a beer? Want a beer? Oh, you can't. All right, Iqbal. All right, so it's football night. Buccaneers playing the Commanders. So we're not going to go to the regular dinner tonight. We're going to do the Pig and Anchor. So we're here, right here in the Pig and Anchor. I'll show you. This is where we can watch the game. We got a lot of TVs, and we're hoping the Bucs will win. That's all we care about. Go Bucs! All right, Terry got the chicken and a pulled pork, macaroni cheese, french fries. I got macaroni cheese, beans, chicken, and salmon. Mark got a salmon, french fries, and pulled pork. She got pulled pork, beans, macaroni cheese, and the salmon. And we're getting more chicken later.
That's salmon.
Yeah, that looks good. Right here at Pig and Anchor. Watching football. Mark got the banana pie. I got the apple crumble. And I'm going to share that with Terry. Banana